Welcome back, everybody. Luke here. Today we are going to do another L2350 Kubota snow plowing video. We got about an 1.5 inches, 2 inches of snow that we want to get off the driveway here before it gets up to about 35 here in the next couple days, so it doesn't turn to slush, or we can avoid it as much as possible. So we're going to take the L2350 here behind me, and we're going to get to pushing the snow out of the way. We do got a good base now. It's pretty much all ice, so we're going to get all this crap out of the way so we can avoid the slush and the buildup. So stick with us today, and we'll get you some drone footage and a couple different angle views on this, and we'll show you how we get this little bit of snow off the driveway. It's still snowing, but the radar is showing it slowing down here for the next couple days, and then more snow towards the end of the week. So stick with us and let's have some fun today. Okay, we got the driveway done with the L2350, and that should wrap up about today's video. We got it done, and we really appreciate you guys, like I said in the last video, tuning into all our videos and hanging around with us. We do this little YouTube channel for the fun of it, but we do like it when we see you guys' comments and your guys' likes, and we do see the subscriber count go up. So be sure to keep liking these videos and commenting. Be sure to stay tuned with us for that 1 year giveaway. It's gonna either be the next video or the next couple after that. But be sure to stay tuned into the channel, because if you like what you see, we'll be doing a lot more Kubota stuff and Cub Cadet once the snow starts coming. And it does look like at the end of this week we're gonna have some consistent snow and colder temperatures down in the 20s, so that'll help us out with that. And we're gonna bust out that Husky log splitter here for some videos on how we split wood around here, and once we get some more rounds bucked up earlier this week. But we got the snow up for today and the driveway's done. So like I always say, we'll see you guys on the next go around, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.